Hey guys, what's up? It's Vily. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another vlog. So for today's video, as you can see on the title, I am getting a new car. Yes, it's time to upgrade. I just finished doing my hair and today is March 23rd and it is Saturday. It's currently 3:50 p.m. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. So magre-ready lang ako and I'll see you guys later.
So, congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, so I finally got my car. Oh, look at the interior, the white interior, leather seats. Hi guys, so nakuha ko na yung car. So it's the brand new Mazda 2024 CX-30. Color black siya guys, and the interior is of course, white leather seats. So hey guys, so it's the next day. Today is March 24 and it is 12:14 p.m. So nandito ulit ako ngayon sa Mazda kasi may pa-free car wash daw sila dito sa kotse ko. And ituturo din sa akin yung mga buttons dito sa kotse. So punta na ako sa loob and I'll update you guys later.